Hi everyone, it's Christina, and today's video I am going to make a file folder pouch. And a couple of videos ago I showed you the pouch that I made, and this is a plain manila file folder that I use, and it was in the garbage, and for whatever reason, I don't know, I was staring at it and I thought, oh, I probably could salvage that rather than throwing it away. And I've always got so much bits and pieces, ephemera in here around my craft table, and I thought it would just be fun to, I don't know, make something to store it all in. And then this is kind of what I came up with. And all I did was take a file folder, and then the center of it, I just ripped it in half. And then I just took one of the halves and folded it up like so. And that's about it. Then I took my stapler and I stapled the side. But what I didn't want was to staple the other side, because then I would have had very little room to go and get things inside. And I know that would have bothered me. So I thought, why don't I just kind of put what I call a belly band. So that's what I'm going to do on this one. That's what I did in all of them that I've made. I staple the side, and then I put a belly band on, and that allows me an opening along here, and then I can go inside, just like this one. I can open it. I've got a large, wide opening, and then I can rifle through this and, you know, find some goodies that I want to use in a project that I'm making. Then I've already gathered some stuff. All of this was just here in my craft room in my ephemera drawer. So these are some of the things I'm going to use. I might not use all of them, but I like this here, this journal card, but I like that wood pattern on it. So all of these bits and pieces I may use. And then I pulled out some washi tape. And a little bit of trim. I got some white rickrack, this measuring tape trim, and I thought I'd bring out some flowers as well. So now I'm going to get started.
I'm not proud of where I've ended up. I'm ashamed of certain things I've done. But out of all the scratches, there's a cut that bleeds the worst. Every time I count my blessings, I count you first. Every time I count my blessings, I count you first. Every time I count my blessings, I count you first. I'm afraid I might have given up. I'm afraid I'm running low on love. I'm afraid that in the end you're more than I deserve. Every time I count my blessings, I count you first. Every time I count my blessings, I count you first. Every time I count my blessings, I count you first. In this cold and misty world, would you be my little light? Just for atmosphere, I don't need it to see by. I know that you can promise me your whole heart if you're honest, dear, but 51% would be just fine. Every time I count my blessings, I count you first. I'm aware you'll never be enough. There are other things I'm going to want.
All right, I'd say it was finished. I think it turned out beautifully. I love it. And there's the back. Actually, I changed the sticker on the back. But I hope who I made this for that she's going to like it. And now I can fill it with all kinds of cards and doodads and ephemera. These are the pictures that I didn't use. And I'm just going to put them into this, I don't know, like a library pocket that I made. And then I made some tags. I did some stamping on vellum, so I'm going to put that in there. And some journal cards. And I'll find other things to fill this envelope with. But super easy project to make. And then with the other half of this file folder, I'm going to make a small one, so I'm just going to do the same thing. Actually, I think I like rounding the corners. So I'm going to round the corners on this. And then do exactly the same thing. Staple the left-hand side. Put a belly band around it. Decorate the front, a little bit on the back. And then either, well, you know, then I'll just have it in my stash and I can use it for myself. Or it'll be great to put in Happy Mail package that's going out. So that's it. That's my project. I hope you like it, and I hope you all make one. And if you do, let me know. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you soon. Bye-bye.